Good morning, students. In today's video, we'll continue with tenses. So in the previous video, we have already learnt about tenses, and today we'll do an exercise to understand tenses better. Now fill in the blanks with appropriate form of verbs. Now the blank number 0 is already filled for you. So you have to fill the other 8 blanks with appropriate word in the coming paragraph. So let's take a look at the paragraph. One morning, I see the python curled up on the dressing table. It was gaze at its own reflection in the mirror. I go for grandfather, but by the time we return to the room, the python move on. He was seen in the garden, and once the cook saw him crawl up the ladder to the roof. Then we find him on the dressing table again, admire himself in the mirror. He's fain to look better for Aunt Mabel, I said. I regret this remark immediately because grandmother overheard and held up my pocket money for the rest of the week. Now let's try to fill up the blanks with appropriate words. So blank number 0. One morning, I see the python curled up on the dressing table. I saw the python. The appropriate form of see here is saw. It was gaze at its own reflection in the mirror. It was gazing at its own reflection in the mirror. So the correct form of gaze here is gazing. I go for grandfather. I went for grandfather, but by the time we returned to the room, so the correct form of return here is returned. The python had moved on. So the correct form of move here is had moved on, means already moved on. So we are using past perfect, had moved on. He was seen in the garden, and once the cook saw him crawling up the ladder to the roof. Now the correct form of crawl here is crawling, because something which is happening in the process. Okay, so that is why you are using ing form here, which is crawling. Then we find. Then we found him on the dressing table, again admiring himself in the mirror. So again something which is in the process, so that is why we are using admiring instead of admire. He's fain to look better for Aunt Mabel, I said. I regret. I regretted this remark immediately because grandmother overheard and held up my pocket money for the rest of the week. So the last blank is regretted. I hope you have understood this. Students, practice more such exercises in order to understand tense better. Until then, take care.